महाकुंभ नगर प्रयागराज समूचे विश्व को आकर्षित कर रहा है। समूचा विश्व महाकुंभ नगर क्षेत्र आना चाहता है और यहाँ गंगा यमुना और अदृश्य पावन सरस्वती को प्रणाम करना चाहता है, संगम स्नान करना चाहता है। प्रयागराज स्पिरिचुअल कैपिटल बन गई है, अध्यात्म की राजधानी बन गई है। न्यूज़ 18 की टीम इस वक्त एक ऐसे आश्रम में मौजूद है जहां सबसे ज्यादा विदेशी श्रद्धालु हैं। यहां आपको अमूमन हर देश के विदेशी श्रद्धालु मिल जाएंगे। आपको जानकर अच्छा लगेगा कि इस आश्रम में 9 विदेशी महामंडलेश्वर रहते हैं और गंगा पाठ करते हैं, गंगा स्नान करते हैं, श्लोक मंत्रोच्चारण करते हैं और खुद को धन्य समझते हैं कि वो भारत की धरती पर हैं, संगम की रेती पर हैं। इन तस्वीरों में आप देखिए, ये सभी लोग महामंडलेश्वर हैं, प्रणाम कर रहे हैं, भारतीय संस्कृति, भारतीय परंपरा को नमन करते हैं। माथे पर चंदन तिलक आप देख सकते हैं और ये चारों संत महामंडलेश्वर की उपाधि पा चुके हैं और इनसे हम बातचीत करेंगे और जानेंगे कि आखिर भारतीय संस्कृति में ऐसी कौन सी चुंबकत्व की शक्ति है जो समूचे विश्व को आकर्षित कर रही है। और मंत्रोच्चारण के बीच हम सबसे पहले आपसे बात कर लेते हैं। योर गुड नेम?
Lalita Shri Ma Mahamandeleshwar.
यू आर फ्रॉम?
United States.
ललिता श्री माँ जी हैं, आप यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स से हैं, अमेरिका से हैं। क्या कहना चाहेंगी? आप संगम में हैं, प्रयागराज में हैं। यू आर इन प्रयागराज, यू आर इन संगम, एंड हाउ डू यू फील लाइक एंड हाउ इज द एटमॉस्फेयर हियर?
Being here at the Mahakumbh is heaven. It's such a huge vortex of high spiritual energy to uplift each and every one of us. We have guests coming from all over the world and everyone leaves feeling in a higher consciousness, closer to Atma.
Okay. You like here some meditation and the dhyana going on here and the mantras, you feel enlightened here?
Absolutely. I feel that I can effortlessly enter a state of meditation any moment of the day, and the mantras are continuously moving through me and elevating the consciousness.
Since how many years you are here and you are Mahamandeleshwar now? Mahamandeleshwar is a big achievement in the spiritual world. What do you want to say that you are Mahamandeleshwar? Your, I think, age is not more than 40 or so, or 30, 35, and you are being a Mahamandeleshwar. What message you want to give to the society?
Yes, it's a great blessing to be in the path of Sanatana Dharma, and it's a path of self-realization that everything we need is within us, and this path offers us the tools, the science of yoga to realize who we truly are. And it's a great blessing to be here.
It's a great blessing. And you are chanting Sanskrit shlokas?
Yes.
Have some?
Yes.
Yeah, please.
Together?
Get together.
Om Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shaktirupena Sanstita Namastasye 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 Namo Namaha Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shaktirupena Sanstita Namastasye 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 Namo Namaha Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Dayarupena Samsita Namastasye 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 Namo Namaha.
Jai Gange Ma. Har Har Gange.
Jai Ganga Ma.
Ganga Ma gives life.
Yes.
Ganga Ma is such a spiritual. I will talk to you within a few minutes. Only a minute. I will take you first. What do you want to say about Ma Ganga? What do you want to say about Sangam? What do you want to say about Prayagraj? And you are chanting this mantras. You feel very great here?
Yes, Ganga Ma is mother. Every day when we bathe, when we have our snan in Ganga Ma, this is a purification. This is a washing that allows us into our liberated state, into our expanded state. Each morning when I go down to Ganga and have my snan, I feel such a sense of exuberance. And I see millions coming from around the world for this exuberance, for this purification, so we can step into our joy in life.
step into a joy in life, and you are Mahamandaleshwar. Mahamandaleshwar is a great achievement. And since when you came to India, and lots of blessings are here. How many years of experience in the spiritual world?
I've been with my guru for about 20 years now.
Okay.
Yes.
For about 20 years. Okay. And you feel very great, and you feel very honored that you are in Bharat and you are in the Bhumi, in the earth of spiritual world.
Yes. I feel very blessed and very grateful for this great honor of being Mahamandaleshwar, to receive these teachings, to be part of these lineage, and to be able to bring these teachings to the world, because I see the profound impact on humanity. Many are suffering right now, and the teachings and practices of Sanatana Dharma are bringing them relief. And for me, I am very grateful to be part of this.
Your good name, and from which country you are?
I live in the United States, and my name is Triveni Das Maharaj.
त्रिवेणी दास महाराज जी उन्होंने नाम बताया. और महाराज जी, what do you want to say, from which country you are, what's your good name, and what do you want to say about this world, this spiritual capital of world? Prayagraj is now a spiritual capital, Adhyatmik Rajdhani, you can say. It's such a great feeling here. You know, meditation is the key to everything, I think.
Yes.
To, if you want to achieve God, if you want to feel God, meditation is the only process.
Om Jai Jai Sai Ma. My name is Dayananda Das Maharaj. I'm from Israel, but I would say I'm from the mother India. For me, India is the mother of all. I feel here at home, and I live in Kashi also, and it's a great honor and privilege to be here, because this is the place where for thousands and thousands of years, eons of years, spirituality has been practiced. The great yogis, the great siddhis, the great masters, lady masters, they all brought the teaching and hold it for all of us, for humanity. So I come here, we come here from all over the world to nurture, to receive these great blessings, and to be a part of this vortex of Sanatana Dharma and help and serve humanity. Mahamandaleshwar meaning service, seva. Seva to the humankind, to human beings. Seva in all levels of the body, feeding people, health, care for women, care for upliftment of society, and also in another level of bringing spiritual knowledge and teaching how to live in the world, how to live Dharma, and then also seva of moksha, self-realization, so we all receive the teaching, the technology, and the blessing of the Guru. Jagat Guru, Sai Ma Lakshmi Devi, and others, great Guru, to receive the blessing so we can attain the purpose of our life for self-realization. It's a great honor to be here in the Kumbh Mela.
It's a great honor to be here in the Kumbh Mela. And since how many years you are here? And as you said that Mahamandaleshwar means service, service to the humanity, service to the mankind. And this is the thing, this is the mantra to enlighten ourselves, to give service to the society and to enlighten ourselves. How many hours do you practice meditation here? How many hours of meditation is going on here?
I am with my Guru, with Jagat Guru, Her Holiness Sai Ma Lakshmi Devi, for more than 22, 23 years. And we have always been given a teaching and a discipline of hours of meditation, puja, yagya, mantra, pranayam, kriya yoga. We do all this practice daily, not just ourselves. You can see here in our camps right now sitting for yagya. People are in the hall sitting for meditation. We have our great pandits from Kashi teaching us mantras and slokas and how to practice in Sanatana Dharma. So practice is going on and on every day, every day.
If I want to ask you a question, that what experience did you feel? You were from Israel and you are from another country. You came to India and you are saying that from 20-25 years you are here in India. In Western culture and in Bharat culture, here in India, what is the difference you feel?
There's much difference. The first difference, in India, there is bhakti. Indian people are bhakti. This bhakti and devotion are getting 400-500 million of people to come. So just by this bhakti, we are getting uplifted, we are getting nurtured. Also, it is a place of Dharma. Dharma is anchored in every aspect of life. So naturally, if I come from the West, and some places in the West, people are not taught Dharma. They don't know the way of living from Atma, from soul. It is ignorant sometimes, it is lost. So just by coming here, we absorb that. It is transform us, being better human being, and then serve society as well.
थैंक यू सो मच। तो आपने देखा कि किस तरह से आपने बताया। माता जी, फ्रॉम विच कंट्री यू आर एंड व्हाट यू वांट टू से अबाउट दिस स्पिरिचुअल वर्ल्ड, अबाउट दिस स्पिरिचुअल country, India, and it's such a great feeling here to be here. And you are having this yellowish dress with a pitambara. It's called pitambar, and it's a message Bharat is giving to the whole world.
Jai Jai Sama, Jai Shri Krishna. To be here in India at the Kumbh Mela is a true honor. It's a very high honor to be in the spiritual kingdom where so many millions of people are coming together for the purpose of connecting with Atma, the purpose of connecting with heart, with self, and to come all in this field of devotion, to look in each and every person's eyes, so much devotion, so much love there for Atma, for one another. It is truly amazing and truly a blessing to be here.
Your good name and from which country you are?
I'm from Japan. My name is Rajeshwari Ma. And I also find it a great honor to be Mahamandaleshwar as a woman. This
Mahamandaleshwar
is
for women.
as a woman, yes. To be able to be with the Mother Divine, to be able to be Mother Divine in this way as part of my spiritual practice, something that I grow into every day, is a great honor.
You learn some more Hindi here?
No, unfortunately, this I still need to learn.
Okay. Har Har Gange. Har Har Gange.
Har Har Gange.
We would like to talk to some of one of the devotees. What do you want to say, sir? You are also माँ, हिंदी में बात कर सकते हैं तो बहुत ही अच्छी बात है। हम तो इंग्लिश में इसीलिए बात कर रहे थे, हमने कहा शायद आप भाषा और भाव, emotions and language, they are very unique things, and somewhat emotions speaks also. We are having such emotions. I am learning from you all that what are emotions. What do you want to say? आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? आप महामंडलेश्वर हैं और कुंभ नगरी में हैं। कुंभ नगरी समूचे विश्व को आकर्षित कर रही है, जैसे लगता है कोई मैग्नेट पूरे विश्व को खींच रहा है। आप यहाँ पर महामंडलेश्वर में क्या कहना चाहेंगे और महामंडलेश्वर बन करके कैसा लगता है, और जब टीचिंग होती है तब कैसा लगता है, और इस धरती के बारे में क्या कहेंगे?
हाँ जी, जय जय समा, जय श्री कृष्ण। हम लोग कुंभ मेले में है। यहाँ एक शक्ति की कोई दूसरी जगह नहीं ले सकते हैं। ये शक्ति गंगा माँ का, परमात्मा का। यहाँ हम लोग ध्यान कर सकते हैं बहुत इजीली, बहुत काम नहीं है, सिर्फ 1 मिनट बैठ कर सकते हैं और ये कृपा आते हैं। ये कुंभ मेला के आशीर्वाद है।
कुंभ मेले का आशीर्वाद है। आप लोग भजन कीर्तन भी करते हैं, कुछ भजन कीर्तन अगर आपको याद हो तो आप प्लीज कुछ सुनाइए।
अच्छा। ओम गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश्वर सब कुछ गुरु ही है स्पिरिचुअल वर्ल्ड में। आप का क्या नाम है और पदवी क्या है इस वक्त?
मेरा नाम अनंत दास और मैं हमारा आश्रम काशी में है।
अच्छा
जी,
अनंत दास जी महाराज,
अनंत दास महाराज जी,
महामंडलेश्वर
जी।
और आप क्या कहेंगे संगम की रेती, जब यहाँ पर आप आए हैं प्रयागराज कुंभ मेला में, इससे पहले भी आते रहे हैं, कितने वर्ष हो गया आपको यहाँ पर आते हुए?
वर्ष इंग्लिश में?
ईयर्स, हाउ मेनी ईयर्स यू आर हियर?
मैं भारत में 15 साल से हूँ।
अच्छा।
और हम लोग यहाँ आते हैं साधना के लिए, तो हम लोग मंत्र, कीर्तन, ध्यान, सत्संग करते हैं। ये कुंभ मेला के कारण है।
कौन सी कंट्री से हैं?
ओरिजिनल यूएसए।
ओरिजिनल यूएसए स्टेट्स। थैंक यू सो मच। आप क्या कहेंगे? आपके माथे पर मैं तिलक देख पा रहा हूँ। अच्छा, ओके, यू विल स्पीक अप इन इंग्लिश। व्हाट डू वांट टू से? यू हैव अ तिलक इन योर फोरहेड and it's such a great feeling here to be here. From which country you are? You are also Mahamandaleshwar, and tell me something about yourself.
Yes, so I come from the United States of America. I am a brahmachari. I am Mahamandaleshwar. I work as a psychologist in the United States, spreading Sanatana Dharma to all of my students and clients in the United States.
You are a psychologist by profession, and you are saying that in this earth, India, it's giving message to the whole world. The spiritual capital of the whole world is India nowadays. And in Kumbh, more than 45 crore people are going to take a holy dip in Ganga. Such a great feeling. The 45 crores in one place in a month or so. How will you describe this land, Prayagraj Sangam?
Well, I and many feel so drawn and attracted to this land. This land, this country, Bharat, has held the spiritual essence of the planet for so many years. And Mataji Saima, Jagatguru Saima, has talked about how the enlightened masters of this land have infused the land, the sky, the air, the water with this spiritual significance. So people like me, Westerners from all over the world, are drawn to this land and to the Snan in general, to bathe in Mata Ganga, to purify, to revitalize, and to recharge ourselves so that we can bring, and so that I can bring Sanatana Dharma to the world.
Thank you so much. Har Har Gange.
Har Har Gange.
आप क्या कहेंगे, हिंदी और इंग्लिश? English. From which country you are? And
I live in my name is Swami Parameshwara Das. I live in Kashi and I'm originally from the United States.
you are from States?
Yes.
And you are in India since how many years?
30 years.
30 years.
I've been with Mataji for 30 years.
You have been with Mataji for 30 years. And how do you feel here, this spiritual world?
How do I feel in the spiritual world? Well, this is the 5th Kumbh Mela I've been at, and I've been coming to India, to Bharat, for 30 years. So I feel, of course, I'm attracted. Very much so, I feel that I'm in my heart. Just as when I met my guru, I felt such love, prem, that I'd never felt before. And when I'm in India, I see all the joy and all the love of everyone when we're at the Sai Snan and we're going by and we're throwing flowers. The eyes and the love and the prem and the bhakti of everyone is what touches me, and that's why I've been coming for 30 years and I'm with my guru.
And what do you want to say about meditation? Meditation is the key. Meditation is God. Meditation is everything.
Well, meditation is one path, as we say in the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna with Arjuna. They're different yoga, and meditation is one of them. Meditation is very, very important, to go inside where we find everything. All the energy, all the gods and the goddesses are within us, Atma, Paramatma. So that going inside through meditation, it serves us just as other aspects of our sadhana, mantra, and I can name a number of different parts of what sadhana, or being in community, sangha, seva, selfless service. All of these action, karma yoga, all of these are paths to moksha.
Do you want to recite some mantra or shloka,
Yes.
Sanskrit shlokas?
Yes. Asatoma sadgamaya, tamasoma jyotirgamaya, mritoma amritam gamaya. And from the unreal to the real, from darkness to light, from death to immortality. This is our path, and Bharat, India, serves us in this path. And the Kumbh Mela.
Har Har Gange.
Har Har Gange.
थैंक यू सो मच। आप देखिए यहाँ पर आप महामंडलेश्वर ने बताया और कैसे पूजा पाठ हो रहा है, विदेशी कैसे यहाँ पर ध्यान में बैठे हुए हैं, ये भी आप इन तस्वीरों में देख सकते हैं। देखिए किस तरह से पूजा पाठ हो रहा है, दिया लेकर के अभी जलाया जा रहा था, यहाँ मंत्रोच्चारण हवन चल रहा है और बेहद ही खुशनसीब समझते हैं ये लोग कि ये संगम की धरती पर हैं और उस धरती पर हैं जो पूरे विश्व को संदेश दे रही है। संगम की धरती वाकई में समूचे विश्व को संदेश देती हुई नजर आ रही है और अलग अलग देशों से जो भी यहाँ पर आ रहा है वो मंत्र मुग्ध होकर यही का हो जा रहा है। यही है भारत, यही है भारत की सनातन परंपरा। कैमरा पर्सन सोनू मंडल के साथ उमेश श्रीवास्तव, न्यूज़ 18, महाकुंभ नगर क्षेत्र, प्रयागराज।